Question number 8. The question is about iron. Iron reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce iron chloride solution and one other product. Iron is metal, dilute hydrochloric acid is an acid, iron chloride is a salt. We need to mention the name of the other product. So it is an AO1 question, is a knowledge based question. So reaction of the acid and the metals is the topic from where this question is coming. We need to give the name of the other product. So whenever a metal reacts with an acid, it produces salt and hydrogen gas. Eight point two. It is again an AO1 question. Suggest how any unreacted iron can be separated from the mixture. This question is from the concept of the mixtures. The unreacted iron or the excess iron can be removed from the mixture by the process that is called filtration. Or you can use the word filter out iron from the mixture. Next question is magnesium reacts with iron chloride solution. The equation is given here. 3Mg plus 2FeCl3 gives iron, 2Fe plus 3MgCl2. So 3 moles of magnesium react with 2 moles of iron chloride gives 2 moles of iron and 3 moles of magnesium chloride. The information is already highlighted here. 8.3 is an AO2 question. 0.12 grams of magnesium reacts with excess iron chloride solution. The relative atomic mass of magnesium and iron are given. Magnesium is 24 and iron is 56. Calculate the mass of iron produced here in milligrams. So the relation is between magnesium and iron. So we don't need to consider magnesium chloride or iron chloride here in our answer. This question is from amount of substances. If you look here in our equation, 3 moles are given, 2 moles are given, and the mass is given here of magnesium. The best way to calculate the mass of iron produced is convert all the values in moles. Magnesium is already given in moles, iron is already given in moles in our equation. We need to convert this mass into moles also. At the end, we need to use a formula to convert the moles into mass of the iron, the required quantity. The first thing is convert the given mass of magnesium into moles. So if you look here, the balance equation is already in the moles, 3 moles and 2 moles. We need to convert 0.120 grams of magnesium into moles, and the formula for the moles is mole is equal to given mass over mR of the substance or AR of the substance. So the given mass is 0.120. I use the value 24 here. So I have the moles of magnesium 0.005 moles. Now it's very simple. We have already converted all the values in moles. When there is 3 moles, we have 2 moles of iron. When we get 0.05 moles, we need to find the moles of iron there. Let's see ratio and proportion. From equation, we know that there are 3 moles of magnesium, then there are 2 moles of iron is produced. If this quantity of moles of magnesium are used, we need to find the moles of iron. So it is a ratio proportion method. So this is going to multiply this side and this is going to multiply with this one. So we have 3 into x is equal to 2 into 0.005. Our second step is x is equal to 2 into 0.005 over 3. The number of moles of iron are 3.3310 raised power minus 3 moles, are 0.0033 moles, which are the moles of iron. We know the formula for the moles is the moles of the iron, that is equal to given mass of the iron, our AR of iron. The moles of iron are 0.0033, given mass is unknown, and the AR of iron is 56. This 56 is going on the other side in rearranging and multiply with 0.0033. And the mass of iron is coming, that is 186.7 milligram, which is approximately equal to 187 milligram. In this question we learn this thing, the given masses must be converted into moles, and we can use the relation here, moles which are coming from the equation between magnesium and iron, 3 to 2, but we made our own moles from the given mass, which are already calculated 0.05, and unknown moles are for iron are x. So we rearrange the values and we get it, the values of for the moles of the iron are 0.0033 moles. Use the formula of the mole. Mole is equal to given mass, our AR and MR. The moles of iron are 0.0033 is equal to mass, our AR of iron is 56. Rearrange it, we get the answer 187 milligrams, which is the mass of iron. 8.4. Explain which species is reduced in the reaction between magnesium and iron chloride. A balanced equation is given. Magnesium reacts with iron chloride and gives iron and magnesium chloride. Your answer should include the half equation of the reaction. So this question is an AO2 and AO1 question, and it is from the reactivity series topic, which includes oxidation and reduction reactions. If you look here, we have to see which one is reduced and which one is oxidized. So we know that oil rig is the way. Oil rig. Oxidation is loss of electron. Reduction is gain of electron. In this reaction, what will happen? Magnesium is more reactive than iron, so it will displaces iron from the compound. So magnesium will lose the electron to chlorine and become magnesium chloride there. And iron will take electrons and become, from iron ion, it become an iron atom. And if you use the definition of oil rig, iron has lost electrons, so iron is oxidized. So it means that in the above reaction, if iron takes electron as a result of the chemical reaction with magnesium, which is more reactive than iron, it changes from iron ion to iron atom. And magnesium changes from Mg to Mg2 plus. Let's see the model answer. FeCl3 is ionic compound. Iron lost 3 electrons to chlorine and changes to Fe3 plus from Fe, and we use the definition of oil rig. Oxidation is the loss of electron, so Fe is oxidized to Fe3 plus. In the above chemical reaction, Fe3 plus will gain electrons from magnesium, and will reduce to Fe. Because we need to use the definition of rig, reduction is gain of electron. So Fe3 plus, which is coming from here, it gains 3 electrons and changes to Fe atom. The key information is given here.